Regarding the urban flood in Guwahati, Government of Assam has shown a detailed presentation to Government of Meghalaya, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. We have shown that how we are getting huge water from the Khanapara area. There is a need to resolve it. Government of Meghalaya has also of the opinion that yes, Guwahati's issue should be resolved, but at the same time, interest of Meghalaya should also be protected. So after threadbare discussion, we have decided that for a proper satellite making, for proper satellite image preparation, we will approach Northeast Space Application Center. Within 3 months, they will give us a complete satellite map, and thereafter we will together approach IIT Roorkee to give us some solution so that Meghalaya's concern is also addressed and Guwahati's problem is also addressed.
It is important now that both the states must put their heads together and find a solution. While Assam faces the challenge of the floods that are coming in, Meghalaya also has got its concerns in terms of the different economic activities, livelihood activities, and overall economic growth, as mentioned by the Assam Chief Minister. And hence, how could we work together so that we are able to find a solution to minimize the impact of the flood in the city of Guwahati, and yet at the same time be able to address the different concerns that are there for the people of Meghalaya. We have decided to work together. We have decided to approach NESAC to do a detailed study in terms of the entire satellite imaging, whether it is of the different forest area, whether it's a different water flowing, whether it's the different areas of water logging. Once this entire detailed study is done in the next 3 months, we will then approach agencies like the IIT Roorkee to further then break that analysis into actual steps that we could take to find a solution that would be able to implement for both the states and be beneficial for both the states, vis-a-vis reduce the flood problems in Guwahati to a large extent, and at the same time take care of the concerns that are there for the state of Meghalaya, especially when it comes to the overall economic development.